Hello, I'm Cyril from Wayang Intelligence. I'm going to interview my colleague about how it works. And actually, I want to ask you a question, Edward, about the advantage of your production line. Because there are several production lines to make battery in China, probably. And can you explain what are the advantages to have a module pack production line, especially for prismatic battery cell?
Yeah, sure. First of all, our product is good, very good price for the good quality. And second one, we provide customization based on all the customers' requirements. So, maybe it's like a full automation or semi-automation. So based on all the customers' requirement, we can do all the customization. That's our advantages. Yeah.
Yes.